In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use multi-charts to enhance your trading analysis and workflow efficiency. This step-by-step guide will walk you through everything from selecting your layout to customizing your charts, ensuring you get the most out of your trading platform. First things first, let's locate the Select Layout icon. It's usually found on the main toolbar just above your chart. Once you spot it, give it a quick click. This is your gateway to organizing multiple charts on your screen, so it's a crucial first step. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear right in front of you. This menu is your window to various preset layouts, each offering different configurations with varying numbers of charts. Take a moment here to think about what you need. Are you looking to track multiple stocks simultaneously, or perhaps you'd like to compare different timeframes of a single asset? After considering your objectives, go ahead and click on the layout that serves your purpose best. You could choose a setup with 2 charts or perhaps opt for 4 if you're monitoring several assets at once. Now, once your charts are displayed, you might feel the need to adjust their size to better fit your needs. This is entirely optional, but if you decide you want to make some changes, simply hover your mouse over the border between 2 charts. Click and drag the border to resize and get everything just the way you like it. Now that you have your layout set up, it's time to add a new asset. Click on any chart. Doing this will highlight it with a border that may be white or blue. This is how you know which chart you're working with. Direct your attention to the search bar that appears, type in the name or symbol of the instrument you want to display, and from the suggestions provided, select your desired instrument to load it onto the chart. Now let's talk about saving your layout. This step is optional but highly recommended. By saving your custom multi-chart setup, you can effortlessly load it again later, saving you time and hassle for future sessions. Additionally, a few tips can help you optimize your use of multi-charts. Consider synchronizing your charts by using the synchronization icon located to the right of the layout selector. This will link the time horizons, intervals, and crosshairs across all charts, providing consistency in your analysis. Furthermore, customize your chart's appearance to suit your preferences. Once a chart is selected, you have the opportunity to change its settings, including colors and other visual elements, allowing you to create a workspace that's not only functional, but also visually appealing. Lastly, utilizing multiple charts can give you powerful insights into different timeframes of the same asset or help you observe relationships between different stocks or assets. This feature can be a game changer, especially when you're making quick trading decisions. Remember, you can always save your multi-chart layouts for quick setup in the future, maximizing your efficiency and keeping your focus where it should be, on making informed trading decisions.